This is Snuggler, and I didn't realize that there were so many cat toys that were under the fridge in the basement and the stove. Oops. Okay, now she's licking. Bongo couldn't care less about toys. He's old, he just wants some food. No presidential ambitions, Bungo? That's a nice cat post. And this is Snuggler. Yeah, hi Snuggler. Snuggler. Look. Yeah. Snuggler previously ate 10 of these glitter balls. When she was a kitten, she would dunk them in water, and somehow she got like 10 of them down, and she had to have 2 surgeries to get them out. Right now she's like 10 years old. She's a miracle cat. I gotta keep this away from her. I had no idea. She doesn't. Yeah, this would go good in my stomach. No, it wouldn't. So, this is a cat house. Snuggler, I thought you were gonna do some tricks and roll around. No? Geez, even a fat cat. Look. I am not fat, I'm big boned. Chubby. This is messy. I gotta clean this up. You wouldn't want to help, would you, Snuggler? Snuggler? No? I think that's a no. Okay, signing off then. Want to say anything, Snuggler? I don't think anyone's chasing anything. It's crazy. Snuggler, here. I think she knows she's being filmed. Yeah. What does that mean? Okay. Cats cannot tell me that they don't have enough toys. Toys, toys, toys. What the heck are you playing with, Snuggler? Oh God, this is so messy. Okay, I have to edit this.